Hello, my name is Muhammad Farul Hedianto. I wanna reading my test. Harry Houdini was already known as the world's greatest magician when in 1918 he first performed one of his most famous magic tricks, leading a 10,000-pound elephant onto the stage. Houdini announced to the audience that this was the world's only vanishing elephant. As thousands of people watched in astonishment, Houdini fired a pistol into the air, and the elephant vanished. As you can see, Houdini announced to the disbelieving crowd, "The elephant is gone."